Here we have a beautiful brand new transit passenger van straight from the factory. This is a 2024 medium roof XL trim 15 passenger van. Let's check out the specs. As you can see, she's a rear wheel drive XL 3.5 V6 in Oxford white. Factory installed options: 373 non-limited slip axle, the front license plate bracket if you live in a front plate state, the this has the 180 degree rear opening, I'll show you that, the 9,500 gross vehicle weight rating package, so that's under the commercial limit for extra insurance and it's above many states emissions weight, the two-way driver passenger seat, backup alarm, she goes beep beep when you throw her in reverse, the short arm power and heated mirrors, front fog lamps, the Sync 3 4-inch screen for the radio and the backup cam, front overhead shelf, extended length running boards, 2 additional keys giving you 4 in total, privacy glass so you can see out, people can't see in, 15 seats in total. Let's check her out. Let's do the quick walk around. Short arm power mirrors, extended length running board, front fog lamps. As you can see, the driver also gets a running board. Of course, this has the heat and a very good blind spot mirror on here. Privacy glass. Transit 350. Let's open her up. You can see you can lock the doors in this position right here. You don't have to worry about the wind or somebody knocking them loose. And of course, unlock them. That'll just swing free, or you can lock it back up. This is rear heated glass, high mounted backup camera there. This does not yet have a tow package. We can install one for you if you'd like. Let's go up front first. You can see these are the dark gray vinyl seats. They came out looking like black leather. Front driver and passenger armrest. Let's go up here. See, you got a lightning charger and 12 volt. USB and 12 volt here. Your Sync 3, your 4-inch screen, your backup camera, rear HVAC controls, front overhead shelf. Let's go over here. Let's count the seats from the back. That's 4, 7, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 seats. A little bit of the count for you. You can see up top here, she's got lights and vents like a proper passenger van. Front and rear have vinyl flooring, very easy to clean up. We installed this power inverter with AC plugs, that way everybody can stay charged and entertained. Driver's side has USB plugs near the cup holders. Passenger side has the cup holders, no USB ports. Look at the seats. About every other seat will have the indicators showing you that you can anchor the child seats in. That one does, that one doesn't, that one does, and so on and so forth. Let's go to the back. This is a manual slide door. As with pretty much all these Ford seats, these are very easy to take out if you want to move these seats, so you can pull those up, tilt the seat forward, and move this whole bench out. Especially for this guy, this one kind of hampers older or wider passengers getting in and out. So this is your van, you can take those out, put them back in, leave them out, reconfigure however you want. As mentioned, we installed that power inverter. Anything else you need for work or play, we can do here in-house. We are in Atlanta. If you want to drive her home, we'll meet you at the airport, or I can put her on a transporter, send her anywhere in the country for you. Our contact information and all the info on this van will be down in the description. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Shoot us a text or a call at 404-729-1374.